Want to switch Meta AI to light mode? You can change the app appearance in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you prefer a brighter screen, better visibility during the day, or a cleaner app look. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon. Tap App Appearance. Here, you will see different appearance options. Select Light. Once selected, Meta AI will switch to light mode immediately. This makes the app brighter and easier to see, especially in daylight. You can change it again anytime if you want to switch back. And that's how to change Meta AI app appearance to light mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.